goodness, God bless him, he's got the hiccups. Oh, goodness. I don't know what's going on. Hiccuping everywhere. You're a big boy. Yes. Pretty. I see you. I see you. There he is right there. There. Oh, what you doing? Huh? Oh, I got your face in it and I can't even see. Oh, yeah. So I'm just right here with my Mimi. I got my hiccups going. Yeah. Yes. I'm talking to my Mimi. Hey. God bless you, got the hiccups. Oh, my goodness, he's got the hiccups. Oh, goodness, hiccups. Oh, goodness, him must be growing. Yeah. Oh, another hiccup. It's okay. You can hiccup on me. Uh-huh. Yes. God bless that baby with the hiccups. That's okay. They'll go away. They're going to go away. Yes, they will. They'll go away in just a minute. They'll go away. You're a good boy. They'll go away, baby. I promise. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. God bless that baby. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. More hiccups. Oh, gosh. You're so precious. You talk to your Mamie? Mamie come to see you. You can't stand it. She's always got you on her TV. Or looking at her pictures. I gotta see that baby. I gotta see him. I watch his videos. Mamie always watching his videos. Always having his picture up. I got to see him. I got to see him. I got to see my little Jake. I got to see my little Jake.
Emma, the pictures are sent. I'm leaving them alone.
Can you talk to me? Can you talk to me? Huh? They'll go away. They're gonna go away. God bless that baby. Got some hiccups tonight. Him eat real good supper. Him full. Him stinky. Him's clean. Him's got some lotion on. Him smells good. Him ready to go. Wherever you gotta go. Are you getting mad? Have you had enough? Oh. They'll go away, I promise. They're gonna go away. They'll go away. Do you not know what to think? Huh? They're going away. They're gonna go away.